So we're back with a brand new product from Panasonic. This is the SoundSlayer wireless speaker system for gaming. Let's open this up and show you what it looks like. This is showcased at CES this year, so that's where you've heard about it from. It's a really big item for them. And then, started. Oh, yeah, we got a manual guide here, how to connect it to your devices. You get the actual connector. Looks like in here. More manuals. The actual connection unit. Power cord. For the neck piece, not for that piece. And then this is, I'm guessing, the power cord for this piece. For the connector, I should say. And now this is the actual speaker. So this is designed to be charged. And then you can, don't worry about plugging it in, it'll connect directly to this box here. Push that button for pairing. And you've got a pairing button on here. You got power. This is where you plug the cord in. This is the volume adjuster right here. It's power, volume adjuster. And then in here, on this side, this is where you actually have the connector. So changing your settings, muting your microphone, and then your power on for the whole device. Generally, just put this here, and it rests on your neck, just on the neck, kind of like dripping a towel when you go to the gym. It's got 4 different speakers to create a very unique experience when it comes to gaming. You can basically toggle this thing between first-person shooter, RPG, dialogue-driven scenes, and then on top of that, it can really be designed to dedicate to work with whatever game system you want. Generally speaking, the device is designed to be easy to use. You can adjust the volume here. Front is just right there, is muting, easy to kind of click to mute yourself. If you're streaming or anything like that, you don't want anyone to hear, just mute yourself or gaming online. You can also swap the button hot there, and then probably the hardest one to do would be the power on and off, but then you can always take this off and do it from there. I do like it's got the raised bumps to put, so it's not like all on you. It's basically on specific parts. It's designed to work well for you. But yeah, it's great. So normally what you do, you're going to charge this thing up with this, make sure it's fully charged, and take this cord and connect it to this box, and then put that out to the actual device. This is going to allow you to connect this with your computer, connect it with your game system, whether it be Switch, PlayStation, Xbox, whatever your desire. Because this thing connects with USB, you'll be able to connect them to those devices and receive audio in and out through this box into these. Great option for you. Well, we're going to take this, we're going to actually give it a try, and then we'll be right back. So we are trying out the SoundSlayer here, and it's got multiple settings. So RPG, FPS,
voice,
this is voice-centric, cinema, music, and stereo in case you can't hear it. But so we are actually checking out Fallout New Vegas. See what this is like. I do like the music. It's very awesome. Not constricting. That's pretty cool. Hopefully you guys found that interesting. You pick up one for yourself and you have a good time with the SoundSlayer gaming in the future. We'll see you guys next time.